Do you like making money? Do you like flexing on your ex? Well, you're in the right place. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another weekly SPY watch list. And so right here, what I have on my screen right now is my weekly time frame. And as you guys can see here, we've been consistently rejecting this supply zone that I have up here around this 418 area. We're kind of, trending, sort of. We're in this little chop right here. It looks like we keep bouncing around from this 380 all the way back up to this, this 412 through 417 area on SPY. Let's move down to our daily. But what I can also see here is that it looks like buyers want to hold this 410 area. For right now, it looks like buyers want to hold this. We have pretty much equal volume right here, and the candlesticks are pretty much the same. Sort of. It does look like we have some sellers up here from this wick. Once we get to this 418 area, let's move down to our daily time frames. Yeah, as we can see here, the volume kind of stayed the same on this little from this push down. It stayed the same, but this candlestick got smaller, which means, buyers were actually here in this selling pressure to take price back up. And it looks like once we get down to this 403 area, buyers like to come in and take price up. So it looks like we're in some kind of consolidation range between this 405 and be more conservative, about 415 or 417 area. So about a $10 to $12 range that we're in right now. This is, it's still a pretty good range. You can still get some pretty good, decent moves in, but what I'll be looking for coming next week, most likely what I'll be looking for is a reject of this 413 area, because let's go back to our daily. We keep rejecting this, look, we keep rejecting this supply area. So I'll be looking for puts up here at 413 in this supply area right here. If we have sellers confirmed with volume, if we have buyers, obviously I'll be looking for calls. I'll probably be looking for calls around, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I'll be looking for calls around 410 to take back up to 412. Yeah, so what it looks like so far, as you guys can see here, is we definitely have sellers up here rejecting this supply zone right here. Every time we get up here, we reject it. So next week is really going to be crucial, whether we push through this supply zone we have here, or we completely fall out of this range, break and retest. If we was to break and retest 405 with high selling volume, then we're most likely going to tank. But next week, my ideal plays on Monday, if price action presents itself and I see what I'm looking for from how I usually trade, and if probabilities are there, I really want to look for 410 calls, simply because we might have buyers come in. We just got to watch price action. Don't have a certain bias. Don't say, oh, I'm only looking for puts, I'm only looking for calls. No, you look to see what price action is doing. You look at the daily intraday trend, whether it's up or down, and you take your trades with trend. Unless you're coming up to, a good key level, like, the supply area. Say if we were pushing up here, I'd be looking for puts, if they presented themselves. Unless buyers came in really strong, then I wouldn't take puts. But long story short, I feel like next week will be a pretty decent week. We've been having some pretty good volume and some pretty decent moves last week. So, I really look forward to this week. I feel like we have a lot of profits on the table to be earned. But yeah, let's go down to our 1-hour time frame here. Yeah, definitely, bro. I'll definitely be looking for rejects around this 413, calls around 410. As you can see here, we have in a previous trading day, we had buyers step in at 410 and take price back up to 413. So yeah, that's basically what I'll be doing. It's pretty, I'm not gonna say simple. Trading is hard. It's very hard. But what I mean by when I say it's pretty simple, what I'm looking for is because I look for what happened in the past already. If it happened in the past, okay, I'll try it again, because in the market, things repeat, you know. It might not be repeat exactly, but it repeats similarly, you know. And all you can do is stack your probabilities, to go in your favor, and, take your trade and follow your rules. Even if the trade goes against you and you follow your rules, everything is good. But other than that, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I really look forward to next week and posting some more videos and some more content for you guys. But other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.